Norway's Kongsburg Defence and Aerospace has recently been awarded a significant contract to modernize Estonia's K9A1 Thunder self-propelled artillery systems, marking a notable development in the Baltic countries' efforts to maintain and enhance its artillery capabilities. The agreement, publicly announced on September 23 via the European Public Procurement Platform TED, involves a framework contract valued at up to €50 million. This comprehensive deal covers not only routine maintenance and repair but also the supply of spare parts and essential consumables, ensuring that Estonia's artillery units remain fully operational and mission-ready. The modernization program reflects Estonia's long-term commitment to maintaining a robust artillery component within its armed forces, a critical element in the defense posture of the Baltic region amid growing security concerns in Europe. The K9 Thunder systems, locally designated as K9A1 Co., have formed a cornerstone of the Estonian Defence Forces Artillery Battalion since their introduction. Estonia currently operates a fleet of 24 self-propelled K9A1 howitzers, which were acquired from South Korea in 3 tranches of 12 units each. These systems were originally part of the Republic of Korea Army Reserves before being integrated into Estonia's arsenal, highlighting the practical approach of acquiring proven, high-performance artillery systems while optimizing cost and procurement timelines. The K9A1 Thunder has earned a reputation globally for its mobility, rapid-firing capabilities, and advanced targeting systems, which provide a significant enhancement to Estonia's artillery firepower. By modernizing these systems, Estonia ensures not only their operational longevity but also the continued relevance of the fleet in the face of evolving battlefield requirements. Kongsburg's selection over the Polish defense manufacturer Huta Stalowa Wola was driven by a combination of experience and capability. While the Polish company has been actively developing its service capabilities for K9A1 and K9PL howitzers, it has yet to achieve full operational capacity to conduct maintenance and repairs for these advanced systems. In contrast, Kongsberg possesses well-established expertise in servicing the K9 platform, enabling immediate and reliable modernization support. This selection underscores the importance of proven technical competence and readiness in defense procurement, particularly when dealing with complex systems such as self-propelled artillery. By choosing Kongsberg, Estonia secures not only maintenance and repair services but also a guarantee of operational continuity for its artillery battalion, which is crucial in maintaining deterrence and defense readiness. The framework agreement between Estonia and Kongsberg encompasses more than just technical repairs. It includes the supply of spare parts, consumables, and other logistical support necessary for the seamless operation of the K9A1 Thunder systems. Self-propelled howitzers, while highly capable, rely on a continuous supply of components and regular maintenance to remain combat-ready. By securing this comprehensive package, Estonia mitigates the risk of operational downtime and ensures that its artillery units can be deployed rapidly in response to any threat. The investment reflects a broader understanding within European defense planning that maintaining and upgrading existing systems is as critical as acquiring new ones, particularly in regions facing complex security challenges. The K9A1 Thunder systems are widely recognized for their advanced technological capabilities, which make them highly effective in modern warfare scenarios. These artillery units offer a combination of high mobility, long-range firepower, and sophisticated targeting systems capable of coordinating with digital battlefield networks. Such features allow for rapid deployment and precise engagement of targets, enhancing both defensive and offensive operational options for Estonia. In addition, the K9's modular design facilitates upgrades and modernization, making it an ideal candidate for long-term service life extension programs. Kongsberg's involvement in the maintenance and modernization process ensures that Estonia's fleet benefits from the latest technological advancements, keeping the artillery systems competitive against modern threats. The strategic significance of Estonia's K9A1 modernization extends beyond the technical and operational realm. Estonia, like other Baltic states, occupies a geopolitically sensitive position and faces the ongoing challenge of deterring potential aggression. Enhancing the operational readiness and effectiveness of its artillery units sends a clear signal of commitment to national defense and regional security. Self-propelled artillery provides a flexible and responsive capability that can be critical in both defensive operations and joint exercises with NATO allies. By investing in the modernization of the K9 fleet, Estonia demonstrates a proactive approach to maintaining credible military capabilities, which contributes to both national and regional stability. The decision to source modernization services from Kongsburg also highlights the growing role of Norwegian defense technology in European military markets. Norway has demonstrated significant investment in self-propelled artillery capabilities, including the recent procurement of 24 additional 155 mm K9 howitzers to strengthen its own armed forces. This expansion aligns with a broader trend among European nations to modernize and enhance artillery capabilities in response to evolving threats and to ensure interoperability with NATO forces. Norway's expertise in the K9 platform, combined with its experience in integrating advanced fire control systems and logistics support, makes Kongsburg a reliable partner for Estonia and other countries seeking to maximize the effectiveness of their artillery assets. In addition to operational benefits, the K9 modernization has implications for Estonia's defense industry and broader military infrastructure. Regular maintenance, upgrades, and supply chain management foster a closer relationship with experienced defense manufacturers, creating opportunities for knowledge transfer and technical collaboration. Such partnerships strengthen Estonia's ability to sustain and expand its own defense capabilities over time while maintaining compliance with NATO standards and interoperability requirements. The modernization program also ensures that Estonia's artillery units remain capable of participating effectively in multinational exercises and operations, further reinforcing the country's integration within collective defense frameworks. The modernization of Estonia's K9 Thunder fleet can also be viewed in the context of wider European defense trends. Across the continent, nations are increasingly focused on extending the service life of proven systems while integrating modern technologies to enhance performance. This approach allows countries to maintain credible and technologically relevant armed forces without the delays and costs associated with entirely new acquisitions. The K9 Thunder platform, with its modularity and adaptability, exemplifies this philosophy, offering a high degree of flexibility for upgrades in firepower, mobility, and digital battlefield integration. Kongsberg's involvement ensures that Estonia remains at the forefront of this trend, benefiting from cutting-edge maintenance practices and the latest technological enhancements. Furthermore, the modernization program emphasizes the importance of readiness and reliability in modern artillery operations. Self-propelled guns are complex systems requiring consistent upkeep, and any lapse in maintenance can significantly reduce their combat effectiveness. By contracting Kongsberg for comprehensive maintenance, Estonia ensures that its K9 units are not only operationally ready but also capable of performing at peak efficiency during high-intensity scenarios. This is particularly relevant given the dynamic security environment in Eastern Europe, where rapid response and effective artillery support can play a decisive role in deterrence and defense. The collaboration between Estonia and Kongsberg represents a strategic alignment of technical capability, operational need, and regional security priorities. It highlights Estonia's commitment to maintaining a modern, effective artillery capability and reinforces the role of international partnerships in sustaining national defense infrastructures. By leveraging Kongsberg's expertise, Estonia gains access to advanced technical support, ensuring that its artillery fleet remains fully functional and capable of meeting contemporary military challenges. This initiative also reflects a broader understanding within the defense community that modernization, rather than replacement, often provides the most efficient and effective means of maintaining combat readiness. In conclusion, the modernization of Estonia's K9 Thunder self-propelled artillery systems by Norway's Kongsberg Defence and Aerospace represents a significant step in strengthening the Baltic nations' military capabilities. The comprehensive framework agreement, encompassing maintenance, repairs, spare parts, and operational support, ensures that Estonia's artillery battalion remains fully operational and ready to respond to potential threats. Beyond the immediate technical benefits, the initiative underscores the strategic importance of maintaining credible artillery forces in the region, highlights the growing role of Norwegian defense technology in Europe, and reflects a broader trend of modernizing existing systems to meet contemporary defense requirements. With these upgrades, Estonia positions itself to maintain a highly capable and reliable artillery force, ensuring that its K9A1 Thunder fleet continues to provide a decisive edge in both national defense and regional security.